Let's see the details. You can see the aluminum plate, like 6M 5083 marine grade aluminum with white color. We can see it's a huge size. It can take over 10, 12 people, no problem, with the extended hot top, twin lidars with a twin engine transfer. The fuel tank is 550 liters with black EV80 floor with a center deck table. The back part is 2 outlet with a and fish tank. Front is the solo toilet with a shower. Here is the storage space. You can put your fishing equipment, material in there. It has a special design. It's a washing tank for hands. Also, this tube can put it out. It's like a retractable shower. It's the dark windows. It's very black. Privacy window. Inside part, here can sit 3 or 4 people, no problem. Also, you can choose in here install a kitchen part, the stove, washing tank, and a fridge together in here. This side is a pump for the toilet, and it's a seat too. Will be put cushions there, and the table can put it up and down, and the seat can adjust the direction too. And the front rest cabin can sleep 2 adult, some kids together. Big space with a driver seat. Some button control for the lights. It's a big window with 2 smaller sky windows. You can see also you can stand in the front deck for fishing, which is have a very higher handrails. Big space. You can go to the roof too, have some smaller lidars. Have handrails. Standing here, very free. You can choose to install the EV80 floor in the roof too, which is you can lying down. You can stand in the front for fishing too. Very convenient and good design. Big boat.